Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 11th September 2020. Sweet children, the performance of this drama is moving accurately. Whatever part is to be played at any specific time, it will repeat accordingly. This has to be understood accurately. Question: when will you children influence others? What power is still lacking at present? Answer: you will influence others when you are strong in yoga. As yet, there isn't that power. It is only by having remembrance that you receive power. The power of remembrance that is still lacking is required in this word of knowledge. When you consider yourselves to be souls and continue to remember the Father, your boats can go across. This is a matter of a second. Essence for Dharana. When visiting temples, always be aware that they are all your memorials and that you are now becoming like Lakshmi and Narayan. While living at home with your family, live like a lotus flower. When swans and storks live together, they have to live with great diplomacy and also tolerate a great deal. Blessing: may you be Yog-Yukt and become free from bondage and remain constantly free from the bondage of responsibilities and the bondage of Maya. The sign of being free from bondage is to be constantly Yog-Yukt. Yog-Yukt children are free from the bondage of responsibilities and the bondage of Maya. Let there not even be any bondage of the mind. Worldly responsibilities are a game, and so play this game with laughter, according to the directions, and you will never get tired because of trivial matters. If you consider it to be a bondage, you will get distressed and questions of what and why will arise. However, the Father is responsible and you are just an instrument. Become free from bondage by having this awareness and you will become Yog-Yukt. Slogan: have the awareness of Karan Karavan Har and finish ego and arrogance. Om Shanti.